If you are big into hiking and camping, or if you just want to be prepared, you really need to check out ReadyWise. We have tried a whole line of their products, but I'm going to be trying their freeze-dried peas for the very first time. And these have a shelf life up to 25 years. So that means if you were buying these, maybe you're going on a big camping trip and that camping trip doesn't happen, it can just kind of sit somewhere until it does happen. Or if you're anything like us, living somewhere where there are hurricanes and you just want to be prepared and not have to stress about having food, this will be fantastic for you. So this right here, it has 24 servings. So they come in pouches like this. And this one says that you can actually eat them because it's just freeze-dried peas right from the pouch. So I'm going to try that right now. But then basically what you're going to do is you just need some hot water, and you're going to put it in hot water, let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have hot water though, that's one of the cool things about ReadyWise. You can actually make these. Look, my dog is so excited to try it too because he's tried a lot of these products. You can actually make these with cold water. The sitting time just needs to be a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and see. Yep, they literally just look like some peas. I don't think I've ever had like freeze-dried peas before. So let's go ahead. Why is that really good? I could just eat these as a snack. That is fantastic. I'm really liking it. I mean, I love peas. A crunchy pea, who knew? All right, but I'm actually going to do the whole process. So I'm going to go get some hot water and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have my boiling water right here, and we've just measured out 1 cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my bowl. You can, of course, do this on the pan as well, like on the stove, but I'm just doing this here because let's say I was out camping and I didn't have a proper stove. So this is how I would actually be making this. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in. So this one does say to let it sit for 12 to 15 minutes. So you wanna put that hot water in there. You wanna stir it around, make sure all of the peas get nice and wet in that boiling water. And then you're going to want to cover it. One of the things I do like on here, though, it does say, as I keep saying, 12 to 15 minutes, but it said, or to your desired likeness of the peas. Like maybe you like your peas a little bit firmer. That is completely up to you. So I just want to make sure these get completely soaked right here. And we're basically just rehydrating these, which is so cool. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that up. And then, of course, when you take them out, if there's like excess water, you can just drain out that water. But we're going to see when we come back. I followed the directions. It says 1 cup of water. Personally, I would have added a little bit more water, but the ones on the bottom are fully cooked. I feel like I just would have submerged all of them and then drained it because a few on the top aren't cooked yet. But honestly, these taste like peas. They're fantastic. Ready in like 10 minutes with hot water. Again, as I said, with cold water, it'll take a little bit longer, but having something like this on hand, you know, in case of an emergency, or as I said, if you're in an RV, don't have, you know, space to put cans and cans, just having because once you take these out of the box, you saw what the little envelope looked like. So just having pouches all over the place, just so much less room. I think that's really awesome. And it tastes absolutely delicious. I'm a huge fan. You need to get yourself some ReadyWise.